Hello, my name is Julie and today I'll be showing you how to make this simple tic-tac-toe code in Python and also be showing an example of how it works. Okay, let's start. Player X turn, enter the place 1 to 9. Let's do 4. So now X appears at the 4th place. Okay, now it's player O's turn, enter the place 1 to 9, let's say 7, and as you can see it's at the 7th place here. Player X turn, enter the place 1 to 9, let's do 5. Here, X, 5th place. And now player O's turn, enter the place 1 to 9, let's do 8. Now player X's turn, enter the place 1 to 9, let's do 6. And there we go, XXX, player X wins. Okay, now let's start with the code. I will be explaining what the codes mean, what I'm gonna write means. Equals times 10. Okay, so here that means there will be 10 empty spaces. Right. Here. 7. Empty. Okay, so print f p7, p8, p9. So these are basically the spaces of the tic-tac-toe, which I'll be showing right here. Okay, and now we're also gonna continue with the other spaces to make it complete, because if we don't, it will only look like this. Okay, let's continue. Okay, to make it easier, we're gonna copy this, Command C, and we're gonna paste it, but we'll switch the numbers. So 7 would be 4, 8 would be 5, and 9 would be 6. We're gonna do the last column, row, sorry. Command C. Okay, Command V. Now we're gonna change the numbers again. This is gonna be 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we finished with this, and that's how it would look like. Okay, now let's continue. Player equals X. So this is a variable, X, player equals X. Let's continue. For I in range, we're going to be using the for I in range loop. And 9, we're going to loop it 9 times, because there are 9 spaces. Equals. Print, don't forget the space, okay? Print F, player, turn. Okay, so this will show that it's player the variable, X turn. Player X turn. That's how, this is what it means. Okay, place equals int, integer, int is integer, and input, enter the place 1 to 9. Okay, so this will ask the player to enter a place from 1 to 9. If p place equals space p, oh sorry, it's supposed to be square brackets, not curly brackets. P. So if the player chose that empty space, it's now his or hers. We're gonna select all this, copy it, see, and we're gonna place it under here. Oh, tab. Let's continue. So now we're going to add a comment. If you don't know what that is, it's a piece of text that is completely ignored by Python during execution. We're going to be using it here to help organize the code. Next, I'll program all the row-based winning conditions in the game. If p, bracket 1, equals to p, bracket 2, equals to bracket 3, and p, bracket 1, does not equal to 0, so actually, sorry, print f, player, wins. Break. Okay, do you know what break is? If not, break is the opposite of continue. It stops completely. The loop stops completely after this condition happens. So we're done with our first row, 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to continue with 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. Okay, to make it easier, we're going to copy this, Command C if you're on iMac, paste it here, and we're going to change the numbers to 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 4, Okay, so I already did the last row off camera, but now we're gonna remove the space before the ifs. Okay, there we go. So now all the ifs are on the same level, and there's a space before print and break. Now, moving on to the columns. Okay, Command V. So columns, we have 147, 1, 0, 4, 7, 1. Remove the space from if, and okay, there we go. 2, 5, 8, 2. Remove the space here, and okay. Now last column, 5, 6, 9, 5. Remove the space. There we go. So now we're done with the columns, and we're gonna do the diagonals now. Diagonals. Okay, Command V. So we have 1, 5, 9. Okay, 1, 5, 9, 1. Remove the space from if. There we go. Okay, now the last diagonal, which is 3, 5, 7. Okay, 3, 5, 7, 3. Remove the space from if. There we go. Now we're gonna do switch player. Okay, so if player equals to x, player equals to O, else player equals x. Okay, now else print place is invalid. Space. Last else print draw. Okay, so now we have officially finished with our code. Let's test it out. Okay, player X turn. Enter the place 1 to 9. Let's say 6. There we go. X is at the correct place. It's at the 6th place. Player O turn. Enter the place 1 to 9. Let's do 3. Right, see? It's at the 3rd place. It's correct. Player X turn. Enter the place 1 to 9. Let's do 5. Here it is. Player O turn. Enter the place 1 to 9. Let's do 8. Okay. Now, player X turn. Enter the place 1 to 9. Let's do 4. Player X wins. There we go. Here it won in a row condition. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped and gave you a perfect working tic-tac-toe code. See you next time. Bye-bye.